Okay, when you become a yo-yo player performer, there's one trick that everyone wants to see, and it's walk the dog. Walk the dog looks like this. You throw a strong sleeper, you touch it to the ground, let it run. We'll try that again so we can get the full view. It runs right across the ground like so. Works a little bit better on a hard floor. On the carpet, slows it down a little bit. So try this on a hard floor, somewhere that the yo-yo is going to slide a little bit more as it's running. So to do walk the dog, what you do is you hold the yo-yo, you're going to do a sleeper, just like we showed you before, strong sleeper. If you're over carpet, again, you're going to want a really strong sleeper because you need a lot of momentum going so it doesn't slow the yo-yo down. So what you do is you throw it. And this is the part, when you first start throwing your sleeper, you might get this. It's kind of a little bit of a swaying motion. And it's important that you study that out. The easiest way to study it out is when you throw, you just simply, if it's rocking back and forth like that, you just swing your hand a little bit and it will steady right out. Then you're ready to walk the dog. When you're at a competition, it's usually about 1 foot. So if you just go from the back of your foot to the front and walk it like so, get it back to your hand, that's going to be walk the dog. The farther you go, obviously the longer it's going to spin out, but you can do some cool variations with it if you practice a little bit. This one's walk the dog in between the legs. Can be a pretty fancy trick. And that way, next time someone asks you to do walk the dog, you'll be prepared. Let's walk the dog.